And there are thousands of Ohioans with ties to Florida.
News 5's Jesse Schultz with us in studio now. She's been speaking with some of those people. Jesse.
Yeah, whether they have real estate there, family, or friends, a lot of people are feeling the impact of this hurricane. I spoke to Clevelanders who are either hunkered down in the eye of the storm or are keeping a close eye on it here at home.
Just the big thing is just the high winds right now. Probably like 80 to 100 mile an hour winds.
It's Akron native Scholler Pettit's first hurricane. She lives in Fort Myers with her boyfriend Brett Mueller, but not in the immediate evacuation zone.
We did not evacuate because it's not really a risk for us. But that being said, tomorrow we have no idea if we'll even be able to get out of here and be able to, drive our car on a road.
They're on the first floor of an apartment complex.
They tell us to get to the bottom floor because of the winds, but then it's like, but then there's a storm surge in some areas, so then you worry about flooding too. So really, you're not safe anywhere.
The two lost power early Wednesday and are waiting it out.
We stocked up on food a few days ago before when we heard it was coming, and we have water. We filled up our bathtub.
Waiting is also something Medina native Dave Dufala knows well.
If I had a house over by the water, I would be like crazy right now. I couldn't take it.
He is glued to the TV and his surveillance cameras to see how his home in Estero, right between Fort Myers and Naples, is holding up.
Then the power went out about 11:30, 12 o'clock. And I tried to call my next door neighbors. I tried to call friends in the next development, and no answer.
Dufala says his house went through Irma unscathed and is hopeful for the same outcome, but is grateful to be here at home in Ohio.
We're safe and sound, and houses can be rebuilt if they have to be.
And a little north of Dufala's home in Tampa, officials are warning the next 24 hours will be the most dangerous.
From C to B to A in the flood zones and the danger zones, I mean, it's a matter of 2 streets because it's all on elevation. So we could go outside of our neighborhood and be in a flood zone already.
Cleveland natives Peach Johnson and Kyle Salapa just moved to Tampa 3 months ago.
We didn't really know too much to expect other than what we've been told, but we're gearing up for it.
They're hunkering down at older brother Ryan Salapa's place, who says at this point, they're just expecting the unexpected.
The storm surge could be, up to 48 hours after something hits like this. So it's really you got to stay in to protect yourselves because you don't want to be a moving target.
Now, we know many of you watching from Northeast Ohio are thinking of your friends and family in Florida. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, there are about 500,000 Ohioans who have moved to the Sunshine State. And all of those people I spoke to tonight are going to keep me updated in the coming days and weeks ahead. Courtney?
Also scary, Jesse. Thanks so much. And you can find all your coverage on Hurricane Ian and its impacts right on our website. That's news5cleveland.com and on our free News 5 app.